The Reptilian Conspiracy theory posits that a race of shape-shifting reptilian aliens has infiltrated human society. This article explores the origins, key elements, evidence, and cultural impact of the Reptilian Conspiracy theory. Origins of the theory. The Reptilian Conspiracy theory can be traced back to ancient myths and folklore, which often feature serpent-like deities and creatures. However, it gained significant traction in modern times thanks to Dick, a former sports broadcaster who turned to writing and speaking about conspiracy theories. In his book, The Biggest Secret, I claimed that a secret society of reptilians has been manipulating humanity for thousands of years. Ike's theory combines elements of ancient mythology, science fiction, and modern conspiracy theories, suggesting that these reptilian aliens can shapeshift to appear human and have interbred with humans to create hybrid bloodlines that occupy positions of power. Key elements of the conspiracy theory: reptilian origins and abilities. According to the theory, reptilians come from the Draco constellation or other distant star systems. They possess advanced technology and psychic abilities, including shapeshifting, mind control, and interdimensional travel. Hybrid bloodlines. The reptilian elite is said to consist of human-reptilian hybrids, created through interbreeding to maintain control over human society. These hybrids can switch between their human and reptilian forms and are often depicted as political leaders, royalty, and influential business figures. Global control. The reptilians are believed to control major world governments, corporations, financial institutions, and media organizations. They manipulate global events, wars, economies, and public opinion to maintain their power and pursue their agenda. Symbolism and secret societies. Proponents of the theory argue that reptilian influence is evident in various symbols and rituals used by secret societies, such as the Freemasons and the Illuminati. They claim that these groups serve as fronts for reptilian control and influence. Evidence and claims. Historical and mythological references. Supporters of the reptilian theory point to ancient texts and myths from various cultures that mention serpent-like gods or beings. For example, the Sumerian texts refer to the Anunnaki, and Hindu mythology speaks of the Nagas, serpent-like deities. Eyewitness testimonies. There are numerous accounts from individuals who claim to have seen people shapeshift into reptilian forms or witnessed other strange phenomena that they attribute to reptilians and are dismissed by skeptics. Political and economic events. Proponents argue that many significant political and economic events, such as wars, financial crises, and major policy decisions, are orchestrated by reptilian elites to further their control over humanity. Symbolic evidence. Conspiracy theorists often interpret symbols, logos, and rituals as evidence of reptilian influence. They claim that reptilian imagery and references in popular culture, architecture, and corporate logos are subtle indicators of their presence. Criticisms and skepticism. Lack of concrete evidence. Critics argue that the reptilian conspiracy theory lacks empirical evidence and relies heavily on speculation, anecdotal accounts, and the interpretation of ancient myths and symbols. Psychological explanations. Some psychologists suggest that the theory may stem from cognitive biases and the human tendency to find patterns and explanations for complex and frightening events. The reptilian theory offers a simple, albeit fantastical, explanation for global power dynamics and societal issues, cultural and social factors. The theory can be seen as a reflection of societal anxieties and distrust in authority. In times of political and economic uncertainty, people may turn to conspiracy theories to make sense of the world and assign blame. Potential harm. The spread of such conspiracy theories can contribute to misinformation, fear, and social division. It can also detract from addressing real issues by focusing on unfounded and fantastical explanations. Cultural impact. Despite widespread skepticism, the reptilian conspiracy theory has had a significant impact on popular culture. It has been featured in books, movies, television shows, and internet memes, becoming a part of the broader landscape of modern conspiracy theories. The theory has also found a following in certain fringe communities, where it is discussed and debated alongside other conspiratorial ideas. Conclusion. The reptilian conspiracy theory, with its blend of ancient mythology, science fiction, and modern paranoia, continues to captivate and intrigue a segment of the population. While it lacks empirical evidence and is widely regarded as a pseudoscience. It serves as a fascinating example of how conspiracy theories can evolve and gain traction in the public imagination. Whether viewed as a legitimate concern or a product of modern mythology, the idea of shape-shifting reptilian aliens in positions of power remains a compelling and enduring narrative in the world of conspiracy theories.